Have you ever had a thought pop into your head that made you feel guilty or scared? A thought so unwanted that you tried everything to push it away, only to have it come back stronger? You're not alone. Today I'm going to share a secret about why this happens and provide some life-changing insights about your amazing brain that will transform your relationship with those thoughts. Stay tuned. Let's embark on a fascinating journey through your mind. Inside your brain, there's an incredible network processing thousands of thoughts every single day. Your prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of your brain, collaborates with the limbic system, the emotional part, to process these thoughts. However, when we're stressed or anxious, our amygdala, the brain's alarm system, can become overactive. This overactivity can make certain thoughts feel more intense or threatening than they truly are. You might experience thoughts that seem out of your character, like cursing someone or even cursing God. You might find yourself grappling with sexual thoughts about someone you'd never want to think of in that way. Or perhaps you get fixated on the negative aspects of an event or a person, feeling overwhelmed by thoughts that things are out of order or that certain things are unclean. Think of these thoughts like a very active radio, playing stations you didn't choose. Because you dislike having these thoughts, you might feel bad and guilty about yourself. But here's what makes your brain special. When unwanted thoughts arise, it's actually a sign that your brain's filtering system is working properly. Yes, you heard that right. Our brains are designed to generate all kinds of thoughts, both wanted and unwanted. The fact that you recognize certain thoughts as unwanted shows that your healthy moral compass is functioning perfectly. In an effort to escape these thoughts, you may find yourself suppressing them or engaging in compensatory behaviors, like apologizing to the person in your mind, or even to God, or simply trying to push those thoughts away. But here's a groundbreaking discovery from neuroscience. The more you try to suppress a thought, the more your brain marks it as important. It's like telling yourself, don't think about pink elephants, and suddenly pink elephants are everywhere. This happens because whether you want something or not, your brain categorizes it as important, leading you to notice more of it. So, you end up seeing more pink elephants. The point here is that attempting to control thoughts often backfires. Now, let's focus on what's crucial to understand and take away from this discussion. 1. Having a thought doesn't mean you want to act on it. 2. Getting an unwanted thought doesn't make you a bad person. 3. The uninvited thoughts don't dictate your moral compass. 4. The more you try to forcefully control or suppress thoughts, the more persistent they tend to become. 5. Thoughts are like clouds, not commands. 6. Having a thought doesn't make it your truth. 7. Your mind is a thought factory. Remember, you don't have to buy everything it produces. But wait, there's so much more to discover about your magnificent mind. Do you want to learn the exact techniques that top psychologists use with their clients? I've prepared a special guide called the Mind Masters Toolkit. If you're interested, please message the ID given below and you can get it for a nominal price. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to join our growing community of explorers. And if you're ready to transform your relationship with your thoughts forever, that guide is waiting for you in the description. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.